that shit up, TNT.
Double O four shit, I'm on go shit. Double O four shit, I'm on go shit.
Mook
I
got
be
the
living
keys,
that
Joe.
life that these niggas like. I be moving that pack up in the daytime. I don't try why I stay, cause niggas hate now. So you know us, get the fuck up on my face now. I be living that life that these niggas like. I be moving that pack up in the daytime. I don't try why I stay, cause niggas hate now. So you know us, get the fuck up on my face now. Ski, double O four shit, I'm on go shit, bitch, you know how I'm rockin'.
YouTube, what's good, gang? It's Fade Guy E out that boo, man. Hey, I'm sorry I skipped out on the whole February, dog. The whole February. But hey, we got a high taper right here for y'all, man. My guy been wolfing, and he had a funeral, so you know I had to get him right. But look, man, before we get started, I need y'all to go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We trying to get to 500. I hope y'all learned something from this video, and anybody who comes across this video, I wish nothing but success and positivity. So let's get started. I use the blades for this one to chop down, you know what I'm saying, chop all that bulk out and get it right, you know what I'm saying. So this method right here, I'm only debulking the sections that I'm using, you get what I'm saying. So yeah, so I debulk first, and now I'm gonna go with that same guard I used, the same blade, matter of fact, same blade, and now we going against the grain, which is fading, all right. So I got a 2 on now, I'm making a guideline with my 2, and I'm making sure that I'm combing it out, you know what I'm saying. That's gonna give it that nice blending texture that you're looking for, so you can see how much hair you took off, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. And look, right here, I switched to my 2 again, but this time I'm using the clippers. Sometimes those clippers get lower than those blades, but initially the blades get all that bulk out a lot better than clippers sometimes. So therefore I switched to my clippers this time. And those first red ones, those are my surgicals, so they hit harder initially, and then I come back with detailing. So I got another 2 on here, but the blade is different. This is a fade blade. It doesn't hit as hard as a surgical because it's not flat. I'm making sure I'm combing out everything, bro. Detailing, I'm using my corners. I'm not using the whole blade. I'm making sure that I'm using the corners because I don't want to create a hard line. Think of it like when you're cutting straight hair, a lot of guys use thinning shears. You know, the shears with all the little lines in it. It's the same technique, just with clipping. But yeah, dog, back to that February thing, man. Look, I've been recording, I've been making content, I've been coming up with new ideas for you guys, so I haven't just been sitting around, bro. I missed it, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, I miss making content. And look, your boy just been busy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I've been trying to get new opportunities, trying to seek bigger things, you know what I'm saying? And I had this video sitting for a while, and I'm like, man, I gotta show the fans some love. I gotta drop. So, but I'm back. You know what I'm saying? I never stopped, like I said, but yeah, I gotta drop this video. So now I got a 0.5 on there. You know, I'm detailing. You know, your boy do a lot of freehand work. So we freehanding right now, and look, as you can see, bro, these damn babyless clippers dying, bro. Anybody else got that problem? Like, I could have them on the charger all day and they still do that. It drives me, bro. So with this, man, look, when y'all lining up, I tell y'all this all the time: light pressure, and you want to tap and a little drag. You know what I'm saying? If you gotta do like I'm doing, repeated process in the same area, do that. Like, you do this because you don't want to leave any nicks, marks, abrasions, scrapes, cuts, burns. Make sure that you're keeping your trimmers cool. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to break the skin at all. Also, when you're lining up the curve around the ear, try to keep it as low as possible. A lot of people don't like when it goes over their ear, so you know, I try to keep mine low as possible. And with this particular fade, bro, being, you know, I try to fade off of like head shape, so I look at this more of an art. You know, I really love this, so I look at it more than an art. I don't really use technique all the time, so with me, I really see a lot of freehand. So it's really like a personalized, customized type haircut. You know, like if he asks me for a high tape, that's what I'm gonna give him, but just not with all those basic techniques. You know what I'm saying? I have my own techniques that I can look at it and see, okay, this is what I gotta do. I'm personalizing it to fit his head. And right here, man, I'm just using a no guard. I've got it open, I'm pretty sure. Just going back and forth, knocking that line off. It's gonna be a lot of, like I said, detail work, freehand. You know, a lot of time put into it. Make sure y'all always combing out too, man. It's gonna really help y'all. I chose this fade comb. I gotta give me some more, dog. But you know, I really like that one. So I got the 0.5 on there. We rocking with it. You know what I'm saying? It looked like I'm going high, but I'm really not. I think I so good to like, I just use, it looked like I'm using the whole blade, but I'm using my corner. I'm keeping it G. Now I'm showing y'all what I got on there. Alright. 0.5, doing the same thing. Alright. Now there goes my surgical, which is a flat, completely flat blade. These lines, these blades make harder lines, okay? So think about that. Alright, so I'm just freehanding, pre-sculpting the beard. And look, the same thing we did for the other side, bro, we're gonna do for this side, man. So I started with a 2. You know, I might come back with a 3 to get that bulk down because I'm keeping it dark on top. Yeah, hitting it with a 3. And look, them things still blinking, dog. They still blinking. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I really look at this like an art, bro. Like, sometimes I just get so locked in and like, man, I love this shit. I really wouldn't trade it for nothing. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I got new ideas, new content, new things coming for y'all. We on the road to 500, so right now, if y'all feeling it, go ahead and subscribe. If y'all learning something, which I hope y'all are, that's the, you know, the main important part. And right here, that was just debulking and matching the back to the sides of the head, you know what I'm saying? He got real thick hair, so. Alright, now we gonna mess with that beard. The beard, bro, is different when you fade it. I see some guys, man, they be fading the fuck out some beards. That's fine. I really like sculpting the beard. Especially when I know my client booked like a large session, a big session, bro. I'm like, yeah, this bitch gonna come out fire. Like on average, I think my basic service probably take an hour. So anything up like higher than that, bro, I take probably like maybe 2 hours. For me to really finesse a haircut how I want, I say I need at least 2 hours. And I can cut fast, but I like, you know, sometimes I just get locked in and I'll be like, man, this bit coming out fire, so I gotta really lock in. 1.5 right there. My bad for all this talking too, bro. I just miss y'all. I ain't nigga just talking, bro. Got 0.5 on it. I ain't really telling y'all the steps, just gone. But yeah, we gonna get the hair right here nice and neat before we go ahead and put a line on it. That's key too, bro. Like, you wanna make sure everything match. So look, I've been doing this technique and it works perfectly. So I take alcohol, the clear one, okay, and I prep the skin, get it nice and clean, get all the debris off of it, and then I come back with the shaving cream. I make sure I apply it thoroughly on the hairline, on the beard, whatever, bro. Any way you gonna line up, apply it. Now to me, the shaving creams don't really do too much, but lather, because that's that's how you shave off shaving cream. But it really tighten up the skin sometimes. So, but now I got them laid down, waiting on the hot towel. And look, man, the hot towel is fire for the skin. So what that's gonna do is loosen up the pores, and then once we hit it with cold air, bro, and then hit it with a shaver, bro, ash line look retarded. Leave it on for like 5 minutes. Tell you that. And then look, we better wipe all this residue off. Make sure y'all wipe it off thoroughly. Get it off nice and neat. Take your time, bro, cause all you gotta do is keep wiping. Sometimes I just look, see how I'm switching hands. You just gotta keep wiping it, and it's gonna disappear. And look, take a shot. Buckets. Alright, I'm applying some more alcohol. I fuck with alcohol. Yeah, let me give you G. Alright, combing everything out because I know I'm about to line up, about to attack. Remember the technique I told y'all with lining up though, bro. Keep it real light. Your blades, bro, especially when you got them set, they're not really meant to push into the skin. You don't never want to push into the skin. And as usual, y'all know the hairspray I use is Royal Treatment, the only one, best smelling, best result. You know what I'm saying? Right to the skin better for me. I love everything about Royal Treatment. Now I'm going ahead and hit a few seconds of the hot, and then I'm gonna switch a few seconds of cold, and then we're gonna get ready to line up. These sabers is dope. I don't have to say much more. You already know how we coming with that. Press, drag, press, drag. That's all you gotta do. Look how it's leaving that ash line. But look, you can leave an ash line, but make sure you actually line it up somehow, okay? You don't want the people to go home and then wash their hair and it's not there no more. You know what I'm saying? Actually line up some shit. Press and drag, and when you get to the corners, bro, press and drag all the way down. It's gonna make you a sharp corner. Alright, press. See what I'm saying? He got some weaker sides, so we gotta make that stretch. You know what I'm saying? So I kept the top of his corners, his vertical bars, strong, but I had to fade out the bottom going towards the lower to the bottom, you know what I'm saying? So I had to make that strong. Keeping light pressure on the beard is easier sometimes. Alright, I'm gonna keep it G. If you just line it up in a straight line, it'll come out nice. But I'm sitting here, I wanna be creative. I'm trying to make a curved line. But look, all you gotta do if you don't know how to line up a beard, just go in a straight line, like a slanted angle, and line it up. You don't gotta use your corners. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be nice and even. You won't have to customize a curve on the other side. You know what I'm saying? And look, we on the other side right now. Sorry for the blurriness, bro. So sorry for the blurriness. Look at that ash line, bro. Oh, and I dropped the fucking cam, bro. But look, y'all see the result, man. Yes, I dropped the cam on hard concrete, bro. But it was okay. It was okay. But look, I hope y'all love this video, man. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 500. Show your boys some love. I hope y'all learned something from this video. Everybody who comes across this video, man, I wish nothing but success, positivity, growth, wealth, and health to everybody, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Fade guy E. Hey, I got some content coming for y'all, bro. Let's get it.